Hello everybody and welcome. In this video we're going to be covering how to install T4D version 6.1. If you're upgrading from previous versions, it's worth noting that you have to step through each version. So if you're going from, say, version 5.0 to 6.1, you've got to first uninstall version 5.0, install version 6.0, uninstall version 6.0, and then install version 6.1. There are also a few prerequisites before we start. The first is that your previous version of T4D obviously has to be uninstalled, and we need a SQL installation ready to go. If this is your first time installing T4D, you'll need to go ahead and watch our video on how to install SQL specifically for T4D. We have a video on this YouTube page. We'll put a link in the description below. To begin the installation, all we're going to have to do is open the T4D Setup app. Here I have the latest setup version downloaded from our website, version 6.1. So double click there. And we'll see the dialog open up. You'll have the choice between T4D Field, Intermediate, and Advanced. Depending on the version that you have and the license that you purchased, you'll have the option for either one. I have T4D Advanced, so I'll go ahead and select that. I'll agree to the terms and conditions. And the first thing that it's going to do is go to the internet and download the installation files. So here it's going to download all the T4D media and package that and unzip it. Once the media is downloaded and ready to install, T4D is going to prompt us to connect to the SQL server. When you install SQL, you install it in what's called mixed authentication mode. And so you create this SA account or service admin account, and you should save those credentials, so having the username, password, as well as server location. Just to be sure, it's going to test that connection and show you where the databases are. If you're installing for the first time, it's going to create these databases, and if you're installing or upgrading a existing system, then it's going to automatically populate with the information from these databases. I'll go ahead and hit next. Leave this as the default and hit install. Once the installation is finished, you'll be able to open the T4D Control Server UI and open the Web UI. It's important to note here that the T4D Control Server UI and the Web UI can't be installed in separate servers. And hit done to open the Control Server UI and T4D Web. And you can see, once the installation is complete, you can open the T4D Web. And we can go ahead and connect to T4D Control Server. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our YouTube channel for other helpful videos on T4D and Trimble monitoring.